Hello, there. We are almost finished with the first topic of the English crash course of One Step English. In this video, we are going to learn the last part of speech, which is the interjection. After learning the interjection, we are going to summarize the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection that we learned together. After we summarized everything, I will give you a chapter quiz about the parts of speech. Are you ready? Once again, I am Matthew. And welcome to the English crash course of One Step English. Preposition. A preposition is used to express a relationship, often in time or space, between two words. For example, in, under, over, around, and through. Now, let's test your memory. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. 1. Most people agree that kindergarten contributes blank the child's mental development. Check your answer. 2. Most people agree that kindergarten contributes to the child's mental development. 2. Since Sophie was 3 years younger than her friends, she had a difficult time keeping blank with them. Check your answer. Up. Since Sophie was 3 years younger than her friends, she had a difficult time keeping up with them. Up. 3. In most countries, children start the primary school blank the age of 6. Check your answer. At. In most countries, children start the primary school at the age of 6. At. 4. Although Matthew studied hard, he couldn't succeed blank getting a high score in his exam. Check your answer. In. Although Matthew studied hard, he couldn't succeed in getting a high score in his exam. In. 5. Matthew and Sophie walked 3 kilometers to office, so they need to get up early blank the morning. Check your answer. In. Matthew and Sophie walked 3 kilometers to office, so they need to get up early in the morning. In.
Conjunction. A conjunction is used to join parts of sentences and express the relationship between those parts. For example, and, for, either, or, neither, nor, because, since, however, and therefore. There are 4 types of conjunction, namely, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverb. Now, let's test your memory. Fill in with the correct conjunction in the blank. 1. I love Matthew, blank, he doesn't love me. Check your answer. But. I love Matthew, but he doesn't love me. But. 2. Blank, Sophie studied all night, she still got a low grade. Check your answer. Although. Although Sophie studied all night, she still got a low grade. Although. 3. Sophie has a house in New York, blank, an apartment in Colorado. Check your answer. And. Sophie has a house in New York and an apartment in Colorado. And. 4. I will love you, blank, the end of time. Check your answer. Until. I will love you until the end of time. Until. 5. Blank, you stay late, blank, leave right now. I want to thank you for your support. Check your answer. Whether, or. Whether you stay late or leave right now, I want to thank you for your support. Whether, or.
Interjection. Function. Interjections are sudden, usually emotional words or phrases, that can stand alone as a sentence. Form. An interjection can be a single word or a short phrase. They are almost always followed by an exclamation point. For example, hey! Look out! Wow! Unbelievable! Now, let's test your knowledge. Using an interjection in each sentence, write 5 sentences about exciting events you have experienced. Are you done? Good job writing 5 sentences with the use of interjection.
When it comes to parts of speech, the key is to look at what the word is doing in the sentence. Noun. The function of a noun is to name a person, place, or thing. For example, book, Sophie, and infatuation. Please note that nouns can be singular or plural, concrete or abstract, proper or common, and collective.
Pronoun. The function of pronoun is to replace or point to a noun. For example, me, you, them, and that. Please note that there are personal, possessive, reflexive, relative, demonstrative, and indefinite pronouns.
Verb. The function of the verb is to express action or state of being. For example, believe, juggle, and float. Please note that base verbs express the main action of the sentence, and helping verbs help indicate the tense of the base verb.
Adjective. The function of the adjective is to modify a noun or pronoun. For example, thoughtful, noisy, and inquisitive.
Adverb. The function of adverb is to modify a verb, adjective, or other adverb. For example, hardly, boldly, very, and never.
Preposition. The function of preposition is to express a relationship between two words. For example, in, under, over, around, and though.
Conjunction. The function of conjunction is to join parts of sentences and express the relationship between those parts. For example, and, for, yet, either, or, neither, nor, because, since, however, and, therefore. Please note that there are 4 types of conjunction, namely, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverbs.
Interjection. The function of interjection is to express or surprise emotion. For example, hey, ouch, oh no.
Now, before we go to your last quiz about the parts of speech, I have a challenge for you. You will do this challenge on your own. Okay. Choose an article in your favorite newspaper or magazine, a page in the book you're reading, or even a letter you receive in the mail. Spend some time reading it carefully and looking for the 8 parts of speech you learned in this chapter. Do you see all 4 types of conjunction? Do you see helping verbs and base verbs working together? Try it out.
It's chapter quiz time. Are you ready to test your knowledge about the 8 parts of speech you learned? Great! We will give you 30 seconds to answer each paragraph. Ready?
So, each underlined word or phrase in the foregoing paragraphs is one of the following. Write the correct choice under the word, using the most specific choice available in the choices. Ready? Let's start.
Choose the correct letter for the italic words in the next paragraph. Here are the choices. A. Adjective. B. Adverb. C. Conjunction. D. Coordinating conjunction. E. Correlative conjunction. F. Subordinating conjunction. G. Conjunctive adverb. H. Interjection. I. Noun. J. Collective noun. K. Proper noun. L. Preposition. M. Prepositional phrase. N. Pronoun. O. Demonstrative pronoun. P. Indefinite pronoun. Q. Possessive pronoun. R. Relative pronoun. S. Verb. And T. Helping verb.
10 numbers for the first paragraph. Good luck. Old Father Matthew went to the cupboard to fetch his poor doggy a bone. When he got there, the cupboard was completely bare. Goodness, said Old Father Matthew. This won't do. No, it won't, said the dog, who then had Father Matthew for dinner. 1. Went. 2. Poor. 3. Bone. 4. When. 5. Completely. 6. Bare. 7. Goodness. 8. This. 9. Do. 10. 4.
Ten numbers for the second paragraph. Good luck! Little Miss Sophie sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and said, "Boo! Sorry, Spidey. Your scaring days are over," Miss Sophie replied calmly, and dumped her curds and whey on the spider. 11. Little. 12. On. 13. Curds. 14. Who? 15. Beside her. 16. Who? 17. You're. 18. Calmly. 19. And. 20. Dumped.
How was it? Is it hard or easy? I bet it's easy.
Indeed, it is easy. Right? So now, let's check your answer and see what are your strengths and weaknesses in the parts of speech.
1. S. Verb. The word, went, is a verb expressing action.
2. A. Adjective. The word, poor, is an adjective describing, doggy.
3. I. Noun. The word, bone, is a noun, which is a thing.
4. F. Subordinating conjunction. The word, when, is a subordinating conjunction introducing the subordinate clause, when she got there. 5.
B. Adverb. The word, Completely is an adverb describing the adjective, bare.
6. A. Adjective. The word, bare, is an adjective modifying, covered.
7. H. Interjection. The word, goodness, is an interjection expressing emotion.
8. O. Demonstrative pronoun. The word, this, is a demonstrative pronoun. It replaces the noun phrase, bare covered.
9. S. Verb. The word, do, is the verb expressing the main action of the clause.
10. L. Preposition. The word, for, is a preposition showing the relationship between Mother Sophie and dinner.
11. A. Adjective. The word, little, is an adjective modifying Miss Sophie.
12. L. Preposition. The word, on, is a preposition showing the relationship between the verb, sat and tuffet.
13. I. Noun. The word, curds, is a noun, a thing.
14. R. Relative pronoun. The word, who, is a relative pronoun referring to spider.
15. M. Prepositional phrase. The words, beside her, is a prepositional phrase showing the spatial relationship between the verb, sat and her.
16. H. Interjection. The word, who, is an interjection.
17. Q. Possessive pronoun. The word, your, is a possessive pronoun.
18. B. Adverb. The word, calmly, is an adverb modifying the verb, replied. 19.
D. Coordinating conjunction. The word, and, is a coordinating conjunction connecting the verbs, replied and, dumped.
20. S. Verb. The word, dumped, is verb expressing action.
How was it? Easy, right?
And now, we are finished with topic number 1, the parts of speech, of English grammar crash course of One Step English.
Thank you for learning with us. See you on the next topic entitled, Effective Word Choice. Matthew and I will be with you again. See you again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.